Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some exciting agribusiness ideas you can start right here in Africa without owning any land. Like some people say you need acres upon acres of land before you fit venture into agriculture, but Charlie, that'd be one big fat lie. We're about to expose you to the opportunities out there, the ones some of these so-called experts don't want you to know about. So sit back, grab your bowfrot, and let's get right to it. First up, we have the shea nut business. This one dire, you don't need to be a farmer before you make money from it. You see all those shea trees scattered around the northern regions. Plenty of them just day there. Nobody they look their side. You can easily gather these shea nuts plenty and sell them off to the big processing companies. These companies are always looking for shea nuts because the demand for shea butter is booming, especially with all these oyibos in Europe and America who are now realizing the magic of shea butter for their skin and hair. Cosmetics companies are using shea butter in everything from lotions to soaps to hair products. And guess what? It all starts with our humble shea nut. You can start small, just gathering what you can from your village or neighboring communities. As your network grows, you can even organize a whole buying and collection system, becoming a shea nut mogul. Imagine all this without even owning a farm. This is the power of smart agribusiness. Now let's slither into the world of snail farming. I know what you're thinking, snails, really? But Charlie, don't underestimate these slimy creatures. Snail meat is a delicacy in Africa and the demand is always high, plus you don't need a whole plantation to start raising snails. You can easily rear snails in your backyard, in a small space using old tires, barrels, or even a small pen. Just make sure you got some good soil, the right moisture, and some food for them to munch on. Snails are not picky eaters. They'll happily devour your leftover vegetables and fruits. You see, snail farming is a low-cost, high-profit business. You don't need much capital to start, and the returns are impressive. Start small, learn the ropes, and watch your snail farm grow alongside your bank account. Chapter 3. Mushroom Magic from Darkness to Dollars. On to our next agribusiness idea, and this one is for all my fungi lovers out there. Mushroom farming. Yes, you heard that right. You can grow mushrooms right in your house. No need for sunshine or vast fields. Mushrooms are like the introverts of the plant world. They thrive in the dark, in cool, humid environments. You can easily cultivate mushrooms in a spare room, a basement, or even under your bed if you're really strapped for space. All you need are some substrate materials like sawdust or straw, and a little bit of patience. Mushrooms grow pretty quickly, and before you know it, you'll have a bountiful harvest ready to be sold. And the market for mushrooms is booming. Restaurants are always looking for fresh, locally sourced mushrooms, and they're willing to pay top CDI for them. So, ditch the excuses, turn off the lights, and start your own mushroom empire today. Chapter 4. Beekeeping, Sweet Success with Honey Money. Now let's talk about bees, those buzzing buddies that are essential for our ecosystem. Beekeeping is another fantastic agribusiness idea that doesn't require you to own land. You can set up your beehives in a small space, even on your rooftop. Honey, the liquid gold produced by bees, is in high demand. It's a natural sweetener packed with health benefits, and people are willing to pay good money for pure, locally sourced honey. And don't forget about beeswax, another valuable product that can be used to make candles, cosmetics, and more. But the benefits of beekeeping go beyond just honey and beeswax. Bees play a crucial role in pollination, which is essential for the growth of fruits, vegetables, and other crops. So, by becoming a beekeeper, you're not only starting a profitable business, but also contributing to the well-being of our environment. It's a win-win situation. Chapter 5. Cassava from Root to Riches. Last but not least, let's talk about cassava, the mighty root that's a staple food in Africa. Cassava processing is a lucrative agribusiness opportunity that doesn't require owning a farm. You can buy cassava from local farmers and transform it into a variety of in-demand products. Gari, a popular West African food made from cassava, is always in high demand. You can also process cassava into starch, flour, and even high-quality animal feed. The best part is, you don't need a massive factory to start processing cassava. You can begin on a small scale, using simple equipment, and gradually expand your operations as your business grows. Cassava processing is a fantastic way to tap into the ever-growing demand for processed foods. So, put on your entrepreneurial hat and turn this humble root into a gold mine. And there you have it, folks. 5 exciting agribusiness ideas you can start right here in Africa without owning any land. See, I told you, you don't need to inherit your grandfather's cocoa farm to make it in the agriculture game. With a little creativity, hard work, and the right information, you can turn your passion for agriculture into a thriving business. So what are you waiting for? Choose your agribusiness adventure, do your research, start small, and watch your dreams grow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't be a stranger. Show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and empower more people to venture into agribusiness.